What's up guys, Alec here, and Instagram have just released a brand new feature for stories, which is the join chat sticker. Instagram has recently just rolled out a new type of sticker for your stories that lets friends and followers tap to start a conversation from within your stories. The new sticker lets you ask your friends and followers to join a group chat and then gives you the power to select who can join that group conversation by accepting and denying requests from your friends and followers. It's among the rest of the stickers, so all you have to do is to tap on the sticker icon at the top of your Instagram stories to find it. It's relatively straightforward, and Instagram is positioning it as a solution for people who want to start big conversations about a certain topic or about a meetup. It could be very useful for influencers who are planning a meetup in a certain location. To join it, all you have to do is to tap on the sticker, and then to cancel requesting access to the chat, you just tap on it again. The creator of the chat can end the chat anytime they want. This removes everyone from the chat, including the creator themselves. So now I'm going to show you exactly how it works by going onto my phone. Okay, so here I'm in my stories and I'm just going to take a photo. Once I've taken a photo, just like any other story, you can then tap the sticker icon at the top, and then down at the bottom right you've got the join chat sticker. So you tap on this to open it up, and then you can edit the text at the top. And this text at the top is basically going to be the name of the chat. Once it's ready, you can move it around, adjust it, and then you just post it to your Instagram story. So now if I go onto another account, I'm going to take a look at this story, and you can see right here the join chat sticker. All you have to do is to tap on it to request access. At the top it says tap to let this person know you would like to join the chat. So I tapped on it, and as you can see, it says requested. It also says you can tap again to remove your request. And then if I go back to the creator account of this chat, as you can see here, if I go into the insights of the story, I can see all the people that have requested to join. On the right, I can then tick who I want and who I don't want to be joining the chat. Once I've selected everyone that I do want to be joining, I can then hit start chat, and it will create a chat straight within my DMs. And then there it is. That's how the Instagram join chat sticker works. I can also add more people to this chat, and then I can also leave the chat or just end the chat if I want to. And ending the chat removes me and everyone else, just like I said earlier. So that is exactly how the join chat sticker works. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more Instagram news, tips, tricks, and updates, hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section below. And again, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Peace out. It's just another Hollywood weekend.